Okay guys, so today we are going to see how to make such a segmented progress bar and to make animation. So here on right side you can see the animation, and on left side I have created a completely new project for this video called tutorial. So let me just clean it up a little bit and we will now start. Okay, so we will basically first import all our important plugins. Yeah, before I run that because it just then became hectic to set them up again and again. Google Fonts is not necessary, but it is just for the purpose of video or making it a bit look a bit nicer. The step progress indicator is the main plugin which we are going to use. Okay, so now here you can see we have started from very basic project. So let me just clean up some basic stuff from here. These are basically column and floating action bar which we are not going to use. So what we are going to use is, let's just create an animation for us first of all. Let's just make this widget animatable animation supporting widget. So now we are going to have three variables. First will be animation, second is animation controller, and third is the variable which you can see which is changing from 0 to 57. So in its state we are going to we are going to initialize controller and make animation, tween animation. Here I am doing 0 to 57 because I'm not making it a variable which takes input from widget tree. It just I have hard coded it here. So once you do that, you have to also dispose the controller so that the widget tray remains clean. Now what we are going to do is we are going to use a circular step progress indicator widget. So let's just import it now. So now here this is just basic calculations for what we want to do. Here you can try changing some different things. Here I am doing it just because I have already pre-calculated everything. So let's just import pi. Okay, and now we are going to import, we are going to make that child column the text. Okay, so let's just add a little bit spacing here. Okay, so it's just not happening now. Now here the issue is of Google Fonts, so let's just import them. Okay. I think there are some issues now. Okay, I think I've missed. Okay, yeah. So I missed one curly bracket. Oh, sorry, parenthesis. I missed a parenthesis. So now just refresh this state. So now here you can see our animation is working. So here we can see we can do many more variations. So here what happening is there is a single color widget. So if you want a multicolor widget, what you can do is make this 100. I mean, if you want 100, then make it 100 bars and just refresh it. So you can see multicolor. Okay, I think it's not looking that great. Okay, wait. It's just because I haven't changed the whole angle, the arc length. Okay, so arc size should be 2 pi. It's just because of that. So here you can see if okay, it's just not that visible. Just make it red so that we can see it more nicely. So now you can see it is just acquiring all those we can say ticks or steps, which is the much more appropriate word. You can do such things, or you can just make this thing 100 and only do animation about text. It's just completely on you which one you want to use for your project. So thank you guys. If you like this video, hit a like and help me with algorithms of YouTube. And if you are interested in much more animations and much more interesting things which will enhance your project, consider subscribing.